Hello friends, in this session we are going to look at different types of operators in Java. Operators are nothing but special symbols in Java that perform specific operations on one or more values and then return a result. So very simple examples would be the mathematical operators like plus, minus, and then division and all. So here is the whole list of operators: plus, minus, and then percentage, which gives you the remainder value. Then bitwise and bitwise OR operators, and then relational operators like AND, OR, and all. Shifting operators and then greater than or less than equal to. There is plus plus and minus minus operators. Those are very important. Okay. For example, I plus plus means I value will be incremented by 1, and then similarly for minus minus operator, decremental by 1. Then plus equal to operator. Say for example, I value is 10, and then if you do I plus is equal to 5, it means that 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 for that I value. So let's remove all these previous codings that we have done, okay, so that we are already seen. So instead we can also comment them out, okay, so that's the easier option. So by slash star and then star slash, right? So it's a multi-line comment. So now let's say int mark1 is equal to 10, okay, and then we will have int mark2 as 20, okay. So then now int mark3, so int mark3 is equal to mark1 plus mark2. So what should be the output? 10 plus 20 will become 30, right? So let's print it and see, okay. So system.out.println. So we'll run and see the results. So let's actually run it properly and see, okay. So we'll do it properly to run as, so it should be run as Java application, right? So now the output is 30 as expected. Likewise, you can use other mathematical operators as well, okay. So now let's try to use the plus plus operator, okay. So that's an interesting one. Mark 3 plus plus. So now it should be 31, correct? So let's print that before and after that plus plus operation. Then it will be easier for you to recognize what is the difference before and after the plus plus operation. So now let's run as Java application. So 30, and after that plus plus operation it is 31. So now let's try to use a percentage or modulo operator, okay, which will give you the remainder value. So mark 3 percentage 5. So 31 divided by 5, what will be the remainder? Should be 1, right? And also let's give a division result, okay. So 30 divided by 5, so we expect 6 and 1 as our results. Run as Java application. So the same expected results. So 30 divided by 5 is 6, and then 31 divided by 5 will leave a remainder of 1, correct? So that is division and modulo operator. So now let's see it more clearly by having a modulo operator on top as well, okay, to see a real difference. So the results now should be really 0 and 1, correct? So yes, as expected, 0 and 1. So this is about modulo operator. Then now let's try with a different operator, okay. So that is plus equal to operator. So now let's try to use it here, okay. So mark 3 is equal to mark 3 plus 10. Then print mark 3 alone. Then let's have mark 3. So let's have mark 3, and then we'll use the plus equal to 10. Let's now simplify, okay, and have both the values as 10 itself, okay. So firstly 10 plus 10 will be 20, and again 20 plus 10 will become 30 for the first print statement, and then again 30 plus 10 would be 40 for the second print statement. So this is similar to mark 3 is equal to mark 3 plus 10. So now let's see the actual results. So now run as Java application. Oops, 30 and 0. Oh, I think we have forgotten to remove our modulo operator, so that is why. So now we have got the output as 30 and 40, so as expected. And then you can try other operators like right shift, left shift, okay, that you can try it on your own, okay. And then more interestingly, we have a special operator called ternary operator. So again, if you look at this operator is based on a condition, okay, and then assigning appropriate values, okay. So that is ternary operator. So condition based assignment, okay. So now let's have it as mark 3, okay, and then so mark 3, and then we will have a boolean result first, okay, like result is equal to mark 3 less than 45, and then a ternary operator, that is that question mark, then false, okay, and then colon, it becomes the else, like true here. So what this exactly means is if mark value is less than 45, okay, then the value assigned is false, okay, or else it will return a true value. That's all, very simple, okay. It might look complex, but it is simple. Also, let's print the results and see, okay. So now let's try to run as Java application. So now you can see that 40 less than 45 is assigned as false, right? Let's now change it as 40, then run it again to see true result. Oops, let's now run it properly, okay. So let's run it as a Java application. So now you have a true result, like as expected, correct? So if you look at the condition again, the ternary operator condition, 70 less than 45 is assigned as true. So that is why the result. So that is all about ternary operator. Thank you friends. See you soon. Bye.